Hi everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through how you can unlink Instagram from Facebook. If you have previously linked your Instagram, whether from the app of Instagram or from the app of Facebook, you can easily unlink it by following the process of this video. Now there are a number of ways that you can unlink. You can either unlink from the app of Instagram or from the app of Facebook. But for this video, I'm gonna use my Facebook app to unlink my Instagram. So to get started, open up your Facebook and then tap on the three lines on the top right and head over to settings. Scroll down, tap on settings and privacy and tap on settings. Scroll down and then tap on account center. Here on the profile, it will show you all of the accounts that you have linked. Now tap on accounts and again you'll have the accounts that you have linked. Now to remove it, you'll see an option of remove besides your account. You can tap on remove and again tap on continue. And just in a few steps, you have successfully unlinked your Instagram from your Facebook. So I really hope you guys liked this video and found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel while you're at it. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.